Hello and welcome to the FAANG Forex, Crypto, and Precious Metal Report. Let's see what happened last week. Here you're looking at Meta. Not much new here. Pretty much been a super strong move to the upside. All indicators are still indicating upside movement, and we broke the high here. So we're well above that. I'm going to stick with my forecast of sideways to up. Next up is Amazon. Pretty much the same story. Long rise up. All indicators, AI, structure, algorithms are all pointing up. Sticking with my forecast sideways to up. Apple Computer trying to recover here a little bit. You got 1 week of upward candle, but still structures to the downside, algos are to the downside. And AI is pushing pretty hard to the downside. So I'm going to stick with my sideways to down forecast for Apple. Netflix, rocking and rolling for a really long time here. Everything's very strong to the upside. Structure, algorithms, AI, sideways to up. For me, all-time high is way up here at 680. So we'll see if that ends up being resistance or not. Looks like we got a little ways to go still before we get to that. Google seems to be recovering from a couple of missteps as far as their AI and things are concerned. We've had 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks to the upside. Algos are to the upside. Structure is to the upside, and AI is pointing to the upside. We have broken through the high here. Okay, but I'm still going to leave my forecast sideways for now. Just a little bit skeptical on this. We'll see what happens. Euro USD, currency pairs, first of the 4 currency pairs. Pretty much doing what I expected. It bounced up into the order pool and started its trajectory down. Algo's down, structure down. No AI yet, but I wouldn't be surprised. There's a low here we need to penetrate to keep this downward momentum. So we'll see if it just comes down here and bounces back up again. Does a little of this kind of action for a while. So my forecast is still sideways to down for the euro. Pound dollar, not much going on here. Still kind of chunking sideways. Going to stick with my forecast sideways. Dollar yen moving to the upside. We've broken through the high. Okay, so structures to the upside, algos are to the upside. Still sticking with my dollar yen is going to go up forecast. Pound chief, we have moved into the order pool pretty strongly. The algos and structure and AI are pointing to the upside, but I expect this to kind of do one of these. So I'm sticking with my up to sideways forecast for dollar chief. Bitcoin looks like it's finally starting to slow down and consolidate. We've got our high here, algos and AI and structure to the upside. Still sticking with an upside forecast here, but I think it's going to chunk around here for a little while at this level. Same holds true for Ethereum and also Litecoin. Pretty much the same program. All right, here's some terrifying price behavior. Gold has been on a rally. A big rally. Broke through the high here at like around 2100. We're up. Looks like we closed at 2374 on Friday. The reason that this scares me is because gold is manipulated pretty heavily, and they like to keep the price of this down because it's like a canary in a coal mine, and it tells you when something bad is going to happen. If gold is going up like crazy, that means the dollar is dropping in value like crazy. And both gold and silver have been just rocking for the last few weeks. So keep your powder dry and pay attention, because something's up and I don't know what it is. Anyway, that's it for me for this week. It's over and out from Bill. Introducing some new things for 2024. First of which is the FX Morning Mayhem podcast. Each week I will go over my sentiment for the marketplace, point out any significant news of the day, give you my top picks on my watch list, and then hopefully give you some tips and tricks on how you can improve your trading. If you like the FAANG report, you should check out the Trade Faction. The Trade Faction is a Slack channel in which I post my trading plan for the day and go through my trades in detail. If you just want to learn about trading or hang out, you can come to the Trade Faction. Best thing about it, it's free. Just go to the website, click on the link, and join for free.